Are you ready to discover the secrets to earning money online without investing a single penny upfront? You're in for a treat. Whether you're a hustler seeking extra cash or an aspiring entrepreneur dreaming to build a thriving online income, this video is made for you. We've researched the virtual world, handpicked the most tried and tested methods, and compiled the ultimate list of money-making wonders that won't cost you a single penny to start. Yes, you heard it right, absolutely zero upfront investment. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey packed with mind-blowing opportunities that could transform your financial future forever. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, or creating captivating content, we've got the strategies that work. No more waiting around. It's time to take action and unlock the doors to financial freedom. Let's dive right into the 10 proven ways to make money online without spending a penny. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more incredible money-making insights and success stories. Segment number 1. Online surveys turning opinions into cash. Many companies are willing to pay you for sharing your opinions on various products and services. There are numerous survey platforms out there, but it's crucial to stick with reputable ones. Here are some well-known and trusted survey websites to get you started: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. These platforms have millions of users and a solid track record of delivering rewards to survey takers. Signing up for online surveys is a breeze. All you need to do is create an account on your preferred survey platform, complete your profile, and you're ready to go. The platforms will match you with surveys based on your demographics and interests, ensuring you get surveys that are relevant to you. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: how you earn rewards. For each survey you complete, you'll earn points or cash. Some platforms offer gift cards, which can be redeemed at various stores. Others provide direct cash payouts through PayPal or other payment methods. The more surveys you complete, the more you'll earn. Segment number 2. Freelancing freedom: your skills, your price. If you have a talent or skill, you can offer your services online. From writing and graphic design to voiceover work and virtual assistants, there's a demand for various skills. When it comes to freelancing, there are fantastic platforms that connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms have millions of active users, offering a vast array of projects across various industries. Freelancing covers a diverse range of niches, allowing you to pursue what you're truly passionate about. Some popular freelancing niches include writing, where you can craft compelling articles and blog posts; graphic design, where you can create stunning visuals that grab attention; programming, video editing, and even virtual assistants, where you can support businesses remotely. Segment number 3. Affiliate marketing: earn while you recommend. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to make money without any upfront investment. By promoting products or services, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission by promoting products or services from other companies. The process is simple. You sign up for an affiliate program, receive unique tracking links, and promote these links to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that easy. If you're eager to get started with affiliate marketing, there are several reputable affiliate programs to join. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and most popular, offering a vast range of products to promote. ClickBank is another excellent choice, specializing in digital products like ebooks and courses. ShareASale is known for its diverse network of merchants, offering plenty of niche-specific products to match your audience's interests. Segment 4. Monetizing your blog, turning words into wealth. Do you have a passion for writing or you love sharing with others? Start a blog. Create engaging content, and monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, and more. The first step to blog monetization is choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Whether it's travel, fashion, food, personal development, or any other topic you're passionate about, your niche will be the foundation of your blog's identity. Once you have your niche, it's time to set up hosting and a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, which makes managing your blog a breeze. Now that your blog is up and running, let's explore the different ways to monetize it. One popular method is Google AdSense, where you can display ads on your blog, and you earn money whenever visitors click on those ads. Sponsored posts are another avenue, where you partner with brands to promote their products or services in your content. Additionally, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn commissions by promoting products or services and earning a percentage of each sale made through your unique affiliate links. Segment number 5. Virtual assistant supporting businesses online. Being a virtual assistant is an excellent option for those with organizational and administrative skills. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need assistance with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. Find out how to become a successful virtual assistant and earn money from the comfort of your home. Virtual assistants, often referred to as VAS, are professionals who provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from a remote location. The beauty of this role is that you can work from anywhere in the world while supporting clients globally. VAS are like digital superheroes, handling a wide range of tasks that free up their clients' time to focus on core business activities. Virtual assistants are versatile and can assist with various administrative tasks. These can include managing schedules, handling email correspondence, data entry, bookkeeping, social media management, conducting research, and even customer service. The key is to be organized, detail-oriented, and efficient in managing these responsibilities. Segment number 6. Selling handmade products, turn your crafts into cash. If you're a creative soul, this one's for you. Learn how to sell your handmade crafts and creations online. Handmade products hold a special place in the hearts of buyers worldwide. People love the authenticity and craftsmanship that come with each unique piece. The demand for handmade goods spans across various niches, from art and jewelry to home decor and accessories. Selling your crafts online can open doors to a global market of art lovers and enthusiasts. To start your craft selling journey, you'll need an online platform to showcase and sell your products. Etsy is one of the most renowned marketplaces for handmade goods, connecting sellers with millions of potential buyers. Shopify is an excellent option for creating your own online store, providing more control over your brand and product presentation. And don't forget Handmade at Amazon, specifically designed for artisans like you to reach a vast Amazon customer base. Segment number 7. Online language translation, leverage your linguistic skills. Being bilingual or multilingual can be a huge advantage. Language translation is in high demand, now more than ever. With businesses expanding globally and individuals seeking to connect across borders, the need for accurate and professional translation services has skyrocketed. From translating documents and websites to providing localization services for global companies, translators play a vital role in fostering communication and understanding in our diverse world. To kickstart your journey as a professional translator, reputable platforms can connect you with clients seeking language services. Translators Cafe, Praz, and Gengo are popular platforms that offer a plenty of translation opportunities. These platforms provide a supportive community and allow you to showcase your skills to potential clients from various industries. Segment number 8. Content creation for YouTube. Share your passion and profit. If you love making videos and have a topic you're passionate about, YouTube is a fantastic platform to explore. YouTube is a powerhouse for content creators, offering an incredible opportunity to share your voice and creativity with the world. Whether you're passionate about gaming, cooking, fashion, or educational content, YouTube is the place to unleash your talents and connect with like-minded individuals. It's a platform that encourages you to be authentic and make a real difference in people's lives. Starting a YouTube channel is an exciting journey. First, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will help you attract a dedicated audience who shares your passion. Next, focus on channel branding. Create eye-catching thumbnails, design a memorable logo, and craft a channel trailer that introduces you and your content to new viewers. Yes, you can make money on YouTube. There are several revenue streams available to content creators. Ad revenue is one of the most common, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Segment number 9. Virtual stock photography. Capturing moments, making money. Photography enthusiasts, this one's for you. Explore the world of virtual stock photography, where you can earn money by selling your images online. Virtual stock photography involves submitting your high-quality images to online platforms where they can be licensed and used by others for various purposes. The best part? Once your images are in the stock photography market, they can generate passive income for you as they get licensed repeatedly by multiple buyers. If you're ready to jump into the world of stock photography, there are reputable platforms waiting for your submissions. Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images are some of the leading platforms where millions of potential buyers search for the perfect images for their projects. Segment number 10. Online challenges and contests. Turning fun into funds. Last but not least, we have an exciting way to make money online: participating in challenges and contests. From writing contests to design challenges, there are various opportunities to win cash prizes and gain recognition. Online challenges and contests bring a sense of excitement and adventure to your creative endeavors. They provide an opportunity to showcase your talents, gain recognition, and even win lucrative cash prizes. These contests span various industries, from writing and design to video production and more. It's the perfect chance to turn fun into funds. Diversity is the name of the game when it comes to online challenges. Writing contests welcome wordsmiths to craft captivating narratives, while design challenges challenge artists to unleash their creativity. Video competitions allow aspiring filmmakers to tell compelling stories through the lens of a camera. Whatever your passion, there's a contest waiting for you. Well, there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money online without investing a single penny. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and practical. Remember, the key to success in any online venture is dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Which method caught your interest? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy earning.